Hello guys, Assalam-o-alaikum. I am Kaleem Khan and you are watching our YouTube channel Kaleem TV1. So if you are new on our YouTube channel Kaleem TV1, so subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more informative videos. In this video we shall provide information about Lahore. Now we start video. Lahore is the second most populous city in Pakistan after Karachi and 26th most populous city in the world with a population of over 13 million. It is the capital of the province of Punjab, where it is the largest city. Lahore is one of Pakistan's major industrial and economic hubs with an estimated GDP of $84 million as of 2019. It is the largest city as well as the historic capital and culture center of the wider Punjab region and is one of Pakistan's most socially liberal, progressive and cosmopolitan cities. It is situated in the northeast of the country, close to the international border with India. Lahore exerts a strong cultural influence over Pakistan, a UNESCO city of literature and major center for Pakistan publishing industry. Lahore remains the foremost center of Pakistan literary scene. The city is also a major center of education in Pakistan, with some of Pakistan's leading universities based in the city. For many years, Lahore was home to Pakistan film industry, Lollywood. Though in recent years, most filming has shifted to Karachi. Lahore is a major center of Qawwali music. The city also hosts much of Pakistan's tourist industry, with major attractions including the walled city, the famous Badshai and Wazir Khan Mosque, as well as several Sikh and Sufi shrines. Lahore is also home to the Lahore Fort and Shalimar Garden, both of which are UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Lahore's origins reach into antiquity. The city has been inhabited for at least 2 millennia, although it rose to prominence in the 10th century. Lahore was the capital of multiple empires throughout its history, including the Hindu Shahis, Ghaznavid and Dehlvi Sultanate. In the medieval era, Lahore reached the height of its splendor under the Mughal Empire between the late 16th and early 18th century and served as its capital city for many years. The city was captured by forces of the Afsharid ruler Nadir Shah in 1739. Although the Mughal authority was re-established, it fell into a period of decay while being contested among the Afghans and the Sikh between 1748 and 1798. Lahore eventually became the capital of the Sikh Empire in early 19th century, regaining some of its lost grandeur. Lahore was annexed to British Raj in 1849 and became the capital of British Punjab. Lahore was central to the independence movement of both India and Pakistan, with the city being the site of both The Declaration of Indian Independencies and resolution calling for the establishment of Pakistan. It experienced some of the worst rioting during the partition period preceding Pakistan independence. Following the success of Pakistan movement and subsequent partition of British India in 1947, Lahore was declared the capital of Pakistan Punjab province. Lahore remains a major tourist destination in Pakistan. The walled city of Lahore was renovated in 2014 and is popular due to the presence of UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Among the most popular sites are the Lahore Fort, adjacent to the walled city and home to the Sheesh Mahal, the Alamgiri Gate, the Nolakha Pavilion and the Moti Masjid. The fort, along with the adjoining Shalimar Garden, has been a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1981. The city is home to several ancient religious sites, including prominent Hindu temple, the Krishna temple and Valmiki Mandir, the Samadhi of Ranjit Singh, also located near the walled city, houses the funerary urns of the Sikh ruler Maharaja Ranjit Singh. The most prominent religious building is the Badshahi Mosque, constructed in 1673. It was the largest mosque in the world upon construction. Another popular site is the Wazir Khan Mosque, known for its extensive faience tile work and constructed in 1635. Lahore is bounded on the north and west by Shekhupura district, on the east by Wagha border, and on the south by Kasur district. The Ravi river flows on the northern side of Lahore. Lahore city covers a total land area of 404 square kilometers. Lahore is in the northeastern portion of the country. Now, climate. Lahore has a semi-arid climate, not receiving enough rainfall to feature the humid subtropical climate. The hottest month is June, where temperature routinely exceed 45 degrees Celsius, 113 degrees Fahrenheit. The monsoon season starts in late July, and the wettest months are July and August, with heavy rainfalls and evening thunderstorms with possibility of cloudburst and flash flood. The coolest month is January with dense fog. Now, thanks for watching.